Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete or close your DraftKings account. Alright, so let's begin. First, go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to DraftKings.co.uk. Log into your account. The next step is to hover around your profile, which is over here, and click on account information. Then this page will load up. After you enter your login credentials, the next thing you want to do is click on Login and Security. Here, scroll all the way down until you find Close Account. Go ahead and click on Close Account, which is over here. After you click on Close Account, you must read the instructions carefully. You will have the opportunity to withdraw any remaining funds from your account. Please provide a reason for closing your account and confirm your closure by re-authenticating with your password. So let's go ahead and write down the reason for closing the account. Then click Continue, and now you must enter the password for your account. After you have entered your password, go ahead and click Yes, close my account. Then you will successfully close your DraftKings account. So that's basically how you can delete or close your DraftKings account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.